Hello folks, in this section we are going to solve problem 39 of section 3.3. The matrix A is written on the board here and we need to find the determinant of this transpose, the determinant of a square, the determinant of A transpose, the determinant of 2A and the determinant of A inverse. One thing that we need to calculate before we do anything here is the determinant of A, and that is going to be calculated here on the left side. It's a very easy problem because if you look at this matrix A that I'm circling here, it is a lower triangular matrix, so its determinant is simply the product of its diagonal entries, which are these that I just circled. So the determinant is going to be 5 times negative 3 times 2, and that's going to end up being negative 30. With this in our bag of tools, all we have to do is to apply the known properties of the determinants that we learned in this section. For instance, to answer part A, the determinant of A transpose and the determinant of A, we know they are equal. So the answer over here for part A will be negative 30, which is the determinant of A. For part B, the determinant of A transpose, remember of A squared, remember that A squared is A times A. So the determinant of that matrix is simply the determinant of A times the determinant of A, or you could say the determinant of A squared, which ends up being negative 30 squared, and that is 900. That's the answer for B. For part C, the determinant of A times A transpose is, like we did earlier in part B, the determinant of A times the determinant of A transpose. And we know that both A and A transpose have a determinant of negative 30, so the answer again is going to be 900. For part D, the determinant of 2A is, as we learned in the properties of determinants, going to be 2 to the n is the dimension of this matrix, of the matrix A, which is 3. So that's why we have here 2 cubed, again, because the dimension of A is 3. We have a 2 cubed times the determinant of A, and that's going to be 8 times the determinant of A is negative 30, so this is going to be negative 240. That is the answer for part D. And finally, the answer for part E, as you remember, the determinant of A inverse is 1 over the determinant of A, and this ends up being 1 over negative 30, or negative 1 over 30. That is going to be the answer for part E, and that finishes this recording.